Guys, today we're here with Jeremy Knoll, and he is the owner and president of AEROSPORT, and they do a variety of things, including importing this fine bush cat right here. Tell us about you.
So we are the U.S. importers for the bush cat that you see here.
Okay.
We also do TL aircraft as well. We're the dealer for them. Not only that, the best part is I'm Rotax certified, so we work on all light sport aircrafts out there,
Perfect.
including Rotax engines.
Ah, excellent.
So,
tell us more about that.
Rotax engines. Well, we do everything there, from oil changes to plugs to light maintenance, heavy maintenance, whatever you need, gearboxes, we got you covered.
Oh, perfect. So I can fly in, just call ahead with you and just say,
Correct.
Hey,
Just give us a call. Come on into our facility. We have 2 locations.
Okay.
One's up in Wonder Lake, Illinois at Galt Airport, 10 Charlie. The other one is down in DeLand, Florida, which is KDED.
I did not know that.
So
okay,
we
wow.
have 2 locations to serve you. Not only do we do maintenance on Rotax, maintenance on light sport aircraft, we also do flight training at both locations as well. So you can come on in, get your light sport license, get your private pilot's license. We got you covered.
So it could be like a one-stop shop.
It's a one-stop shop. So
Excellent.
you come in, we get you hooked up. If you have to stay the night, whatever, we can work on accommodations, work on a car, whatever we got to do for you. We are there to make it so that when you come in, it's painless. It's easy. The last thing we want to do is make it complicated for you. So it's just a one-stop shop.
Excellent. So how can guys reach you?
You can give us a call.
Okay.
You can call us on the 888-211-1773, or you can reach us at our website, which is aerosportplanes.com.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time, Jeremy.
No problem. I appreciate
And
it.
I hope it was a fantastic show for you.
It's always a great show. Mount Vernon's always great. Oshkosh is great. Sun and Fun is great. So every air show we go to is great.
Awesome. Thank you.
Perfect.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
one. Bye.